Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the best gadgets on Amazon. From must-haves to hidden gems, we're exploring the top-rated tech you need to know about. Let's get started. Step into a world of precision with the Woodpecker's Paolini Pocket Rule Combo. In this set, you'll find a 6-inch rule crafted from striking red anodized aluminum and a versatile sliding stop. Measuring 1 inch wide by 1/8 inch thick, this rule is built for both durability and ease of use. Its dual laser engraved scales, marked in 1/30 inch and 1/16 inch increments on both sides, come complete with vertical end scales, and a finely crafted notch transforms it into an instant marking gauge for your layout needs. The sliding stop glides effortlessly along the rule, locking securely to allow repetitive measurements on multiple boards. Remove the stop and insert it into the built-in cutout to prop the rule upright, ideal for dialing in the precise heights of router bits, saw blades, or dado stacks. Woodpecker's Paolini pocket rules are available in 2 material choices and 3 size options, sold individually or as a complete kit. The quick screw-down clamps, your new go-to for fast, secure work holding. With a maximum opening of 5/3/8 inches and a throat depth of 2/3/8 inches, these clamps are engineered for both precision and ease. They feature high-quality, ergonomically designed plastic handles that offer quick, comfortable tightening without the risk of splinters you'd get from cheaper wood. The steel pressure pads, equipped with removable, non-marring plastic covers, ensure your workpieces remain unharmed while providing a rock-solid grip. They function superbly as MFT clamps for your custom workbench or in select heavy-duty T-slots. Note that the uniquely profiled clamp ends detailed in the accompanying image are designed to work with MFT tables, the specified track guides, and T-tracks, with an opening of at least 9/30 inch. They are not compatible with universal or 1/4 inch T-tracks, so be sure to check your track dimensions before use. Introducing a versatile solution designed to elevate your circular saw work. This guide is compatible with most circular saws, featuring blades up to 7 to 1/4 inches. Out of the box, it provides an impressive 50-inch cutting length, and with optional guide rail extensions, you can extend it to rip entire sheets effortlessly. Crafted from robust, all-metal construction, this guide minimizes flex and boosts rigidity, ensuring each cut is both accurate and reliable. Its low-profile design accommodates cuts over 1 to 3/4 inches deep, ideal for common interior door thicknesses. The distinctive red cutting strip not only acts as a clear guide, but also helps reduce splintering and chipping for cleaner results. We are committed to offering products that enable woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts to complete projects quickly, accurately, and easily. Enjoy precision cutting and enhanced productivity with this dependable guide. Looking for a versatile tool that combines precision with convenience? This magnetic level is designed to handle a range of applications and comes complete with a soft carrying case and 2 AAA batteries for immediate use. Its reverse contrast display improves visibility in low light and automatically rotates when flipped upside down, ensuring a clear view no matter the orientation. Plus, the level easily attaches to ferromagnetic surfaces such as pipes, electrical conduits, miter saw blades, vents, or ducts, offering convenient hands-free operation. With the ability to measure from 0 to 90 or 0 to 180 degrees, it's perfect for fine-tuning alignment on conduits and pipes during bending tasks, while accounting for springback. An IP42 rating ensures robust resistance against water and dust, making this level a reliable choice in demanding environments. So, click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your life. Engineered for both the professional tradesperson and the serious DIY enthusiast, this precision marking tool is crafted from premium PP, ABS, and stainless steel materials to stand up to even the harshest job site conditions. The design features an extended, needle-nose tip that effortlessly reaches into tight, hard-to-access areas, making it ideal for detailed work. With its innovative one-click advanced mechanism, the tool dispenses just the right amount of 2.8mm lead every time, eliminating waste and maintaining efficiency. The stainless steel lead feed tube is engineered for easy refilling and consistent performance, and it seamlessly works with all OX Tough carbon marking leads. Additionally, an integrated lead sharpener, cleverly built into the cap, ensures that every mark is crisp and precise. Accepting standard 2.8mm replacement leads, this tool truly combines functionality with smart design, setting a new standard in marking accuracy and convenience. Ready to elevate your craftsmanship? Our best-selling speed squares are designed to help you make the precise marks you need every time. With clearly defined gradations, these tools make it simple to mark common, hip, valley, and jack rafters, as well as to determine angles and execute perfect square cuts on your boards. This value pack brings you two of our most popular models, the compact 7-inch Speed Square and the larger, versatile 12-inch Big 12 Speed Square, plus the indispensable Blue Book for quick reference. Crafted from heavy-gauge billet aluminum alloy, these Speed Squares are built to last, offering a rugged design that delivers enhanced accuracy thanks to their die-cast construction, surpassing traditional laser-etched and extruded stamped options. Whether you're using them as saw guides or simply ensuring your cuts are true. Perfect for carpenters, construction professionals, roofers, and DIY enthusiasts alike, these Speed Squares make marking 90 and 45-degree angles a breeze on every project. Discover the power and precision of the PR20 EVS Colt Palm Router, a tool designed for craftsmen who demand both versatility and control. Equipped with a robust 1.0 horsepower, 5.6 amp variable speed motor, it runs smoothly from 16,000 to 35,000 RPM, making it perfect for a range of tasks. The router's straight edge guide lets you easily follow the contours of your workpiece, even when operating up to 3 to 5/8 inches from an edge, while the clever angled cord exit keeps cables neatly out of the way. Its rugged aluminum fixed base offers both durability and precision, enhanced by unique finger support pockets for extra stability when trimming. Fast and precise depth adjustments, both macro and micro, combined with a quick clamp system, let you effortlessly shift the motor between bases. Plus, with an enhanced bit capacity that accommodates bits up to 1/5/16 inches in diameter, and a versatile bit changing system that works with just 2 wrenches, this router is as adaptable as it is reliable. If you're in search of a router guide jig that makes crafting perfect circles effortless, this dual set might be just what you need. The kit features 2 precision tools: a small circle jig that cuts circles ranging from 1.5 inches to 12 inches in diameter, and a large circle jig capable of handling sizes from 10-inch to 52-inch. Both jigs come equipped with built-in metric and imperial scales, complete with an easy-to-read window that lets you set the diameter for both inside and outside cuts with confidence. Installation is simple. The jigs quickly and securely attach to the included turn-and-lock circle guide head. For those working on edge finishing, a bonus 13-inch offset base adds extra stability, while the oversized handle knob ensures you maintain superior control over your router. Plus, thanks to the patented turn-lock technology, exchanging guide bushings and router attachments is a fast, tool-free process. This set is designed to make your projects smoother, more precise, and ultimately, more enjoyable. Introducing the MICROJIG GRR Ripper DVC 538K2 Match Fit Dovetail Clamps in a striking yellow-green finish, clamps that truly match the boundless scope of your creativity. These innovative clamps redefine versatility by letting you create custom track grooves with ease. Simply use a 1/2-inch diameter 14-grid dovetail router bit to carve a precise 3/8-inch deep groove, perfectly designed to fit the match fit profile. Whether you're working on intricate cabinetry or tackling a bespoke woodworking project, these clamps offer clamping freedom that goes well beyond the conventional edge. Their breakthrough clamp arm design secures workpieces virtually anywhere, allowing for unparalleled flexibility and efficiency. From professional workshops to home projects, these clamps empower you to work smarter, transforming every task into an opportunity to achieve a flawless finish. So, click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your life. Experience precision and versatility with this high-performance jigsaw, powered by an 800-watt pure copper motor that delivers an impressive 803,000 strokes per minute. With 6 adjustable speed levels, you can easily dial in the perfect pace for your material. Higher gears for soft substances and lower gears for harder ones. Equipped with a set of 6 interchangeable saw blades, this tool lets you effortlessly switch to the ideal blade for any job. Customize your cuts with an adjustable cutting angle ranging from -45 degrees to 45 degrees and achieve a maximum depth of 110 millimeters in wood or 10 millimeters in metal. The adjustable knife lift further enhances its versatility, allowing you to tackle a wide range of materials with ease. A quick-release chuck ensures that blade changes are fast and tool-free, while dual magnetic blade storage boxes keep your blades neatly organized. For added precision, a built-in laser guide and a guide ruler help control your cutting width, and a lock-on button keeps the trigger steady during long jobs, reducing finger fatigue. Discover a new level of finishing precision with the dual-action random 360-degree rotating orbital sander. This innovative tool combines rotation and vibration to deliver a natural, trace-free sanding surface while boosting grinding efficiency by 30%. With its 6 adjustable speed settings, you can easily dial in the perfect pace from heavy sanding to a fine polish to suit your specific task. Included are 18 premium 5-inch sanding discs featuring 6 different grits, ranging from coarse to fine, to tackle a variety of materials such as wood, metal, and plastic. The hook and loop attachment boasts over 35,000 durable hooks, ensuring a secure grip every time. Engineered for a cleaner work environment, the sander features 8 vacuum holes paired with an efficient, breathable dust bag that outperforms a traditional dust box by preventing debris from re-entering the motor. Powered by a premium pure copper motor that can reach up to 13,000 RPM and 2.5 amps. This sander is built with effective heat resistance and a cooling system to prevent overheating.